Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno12 FS and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. Let's begin with opening your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Let me tap on it. Now we have to tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner, and now tap on add picture or this circle simply. Here we've got some sections from which we can choose the picture, the photo from the camera. So your device will open the camera app, gallery. You can choose something from the from the photos you've taken previously, or illustrations which are available online. So if you do not have the photo of this specific person, you can try to find something which matches him or her. And I highly recommend, and I think we will choose something from those options. So all you have to do is to search for something nice. Search for something nice and then tap on it after deciding, not this one, this one. And as you can see right now, we can change the background color, which is really nice. And after that, simply tap on choose. If you will use the photo, you will be able to change the size of the photo. You will be able to zoom it in or out, change the position of it so you can frame it just like you want to. This highlighted circle is responsible for what you will see after saving the whole contact. Because I'm using the illustration, I cannot really do it, but be aware that you will be probably able to do that. So let's tap on choose, and as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied. If you're happy with your choice, tap on save in the right upper corner, and the photo has been saved successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.